In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can update your Realtek Audio Driver inside of Windows 11. Now, there are two methods we can use to do this, but luckily they are both super quick and easy. So the first method we're going to do is come over to our Start menu, and you need to search for Device Manager, and then head over to the Device Manager tab. Inside of here, we need to come down to Sound, Video, and Game Controllers and expand this list. And inside of here, you should see your Realtek Audio device. And all you simply need to do is right-click on this and come into Update Driver. And then we can press Search automatically for drivers. Now, as you can see, I'm already running the latest driver on my device. The only problem with using this method is sometimes it's a bit inaccurate and it will say that your driver's up to date when really it's actually outdated. So the way that we can fix this is by using the second method, and what you'll need to do is head over to an internet browser and you'll need to come to the official Realtek download page, and I'll leave a link to this in the video description. And then from here we can just scroll down this list and you'll need to download the file that's specific to your operating system. Now, if you're running a 64-bit computer, which I can imagine a lot of you are, then you'll need to download this 64-bit one here. Now, don't worry about the fact that it doesn't say Windows 11 inside of here. It will still work on your Windows 11 computer, so we can just hit this download button here, and you'll need to agree to the terms of download. So we can just select this checkbox and click download this file. Then it will require this verification, so just simply enter the letters on screen, and this should only take a few minutes to download the file. Once the file download's complete, simply launch up the application and just let this extract the files to your computer. And we're going to go through the steps by pressing Next, click on Next again, and once that's installed, you'll need to restart your computer in order for the changes to take effect. And once you restart your computer, your Realtek audio drivers will be ready to update. And that's it, guys. That's how you update your Realtek audio drivers inside of Windows 11. If this video did help you, then please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.